The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always making time to come and be with me. I don't know why Mikey is looking away. Mikey, are you shy? Are you shy? Say hi. Hi. They can't see you. Say hi. Hi. Do you have a shark? Is that a shark? Shark, yes. Okay, so guys, today is Saturday. It's a beautiful day outside. Summer is with us, and it's beautiful. So Abby wants to take us somewhere that he has been wanting to go, but time has not been allowing, and so today we have that time. So let him tell us where he's taking us.
Essentially, it's just a farmer's market, but there's they got a couple events that, like pony rides. They have food trucks. Of course, they got all the booths with handcrafts and foods and all that. And then there's a hay ride, and what that is it's a horse-drawn carriage with hay bales on top. You ride on the hay bales, and they just take you around the tour. They might show you around the farm or the park. It's at a park right now, so yeah. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I'm excited to see it. Will be my first time and also Mikey's first time at a farmer's market. We can also get to try the fresh farm produce.
Oh,
and,
yeah.
you know, just see how it is.
Straight from the ground.
Yes, Texas grounds, eh? Yeah. Do you think they'll be able to fix my watch?
No.
No?
It's not that kind of place, baby.
Okay. All right. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Mikey, say let's go. Eh? No. Oh yeah, it's a doo-doo. It's died.
It's a birdie.
It's a baby. No, it's not a baby. It's a bird.
Yeah, it is a baby bird.
Oh, baby bird. Okay.
Or it was.
Baby bird. Say, Mikey, let's go. Okay. Say, let's go.
We go?
We go?
We go?
Yeah.
We go.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
Yeah, so we're finally here. Let's go and see what's going to happen, what it looks like. Mikey,
Like off to a
there's so many cars. Means like there's so many people. Oh, that red car is beautiful. And I'm seeing lots of people like just coming, family, you know. It's exciting. And it's like all the way far in the countryside, like, right, babe?
Oh yeah. You're gonna pass by farms.
Yeah, we've passed through farms, horses just grazing. This is like the Texas.
This is the Texas experience.
This is the Texas experience.
The only thing that's
sure.
missing is the rodeo. But
Yeah.
I think we may have missed the rodeo.
Oh yeah.
Hey, come here.
What's a rodeo, baby?
Come here. Over here.
What's a rodeo?
A rodeo, it's where a bunch of cowboys, they ride bulls to see how long they can last. They chase calves around on horseback.
Yeah.
And they just show off their cowboy skills. It's pretty cool.
Oh, it's huge. Oh, this is blueberry. Try the... kombucha mixed, or you just choose?
No, you choose. There's those flavors: blueberry, pineapple, and peach.
And it's fresh.
Fresh. Made 2 days ago.
2 days ago. I'd like to try the pineapple one.
Pineapple, fantastic.
Do you want it?
A blueberry.
And the blueberry for him.
So 2 kombuchas.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I will get that for you. That'll be
Okay.
$6.40.
Let's try kombucha. Kombuchas. Pineapple is your favorite?
Yes.
Wow. I just discovered kombuchas, so...
This is the pineapple.
Nice.
Trying to give it a
Yay.
Peach?
No, blueberry, he said. You really like peach.
Say it again.
Blueberry. That's the blueberry. I can imagine how healthy you are if you're able to make this yourself.
I should drink more of it.
Oh, you don't drink more of it? Even though you make it?
My sister-in-law makes it.
Oh, nice. Let me try.
I mean, pineapple and blueberry?
Guys, I've become an addict of kombuchas ever since I realized how healthy they are. Because when you have a healthy gut, most of your body is healthy. And it's so good. I love pineapple, so it really makes sense to have this. And it's refreshing. It's nicely cold. It fades. Okay. There's so much honey. And my baby loves honey. He's actually influenced me to start taking honey. I don't take sugar anymore. Oh wow, this is lots of honey. Hubby has actually influenced me to take honey. So these days we only buy honey. We don't even buy sugar. Lemon, raspberry, natural, creamed, blackberry. Which one are you trying?
Let me try that cinnamon one.
Is it just honey and then you put cinnamon in it?
Yes, ma'am. It's honey and it's cinnamon and corn pieces or milk.
The con pieces?
Yeah.
So these are flavored honeys. You said you liked which one?
I like this one. I mean, the other one was pretty good too. That raspberry one. I couldn't really taste the pecan in this one, so I'm gonna skip it. But I'll definitely get this one.
One hand down. Other hand up and over. And just real gentle.
Oh, what do you think?
Like that.
Oh, there's a Mikey, come see. Cuckoo? Come see Cuckoo. Cuckoo? Cuckoo, Mikey? It's Cuckoo? Cuckoo, Mikey? Is that Cuckoo? Huh? Is that Cuckoo?
Feel like what you want to do.
Guys, this chicken.
Do you know why that was her feet?
Where's the Cuckoo?
Look at that. Yeah, those didn't feel like
Cuckoo?
She's always good. I can tell that you have it.
Oh, mana Cuckoo? Huh? Mana Cuckoo? Mana Cuckoo? Kapi Cuckoo? Cuckoo! Hold the chicken there. Hold the chicken. Look. Here. You want to hold it? Wow.
So here, hold it. Let's put our hand out. Okay, and you're going to feel its feet. Those are going to feel kind of funny. And then here you go. Nice and gentle.
Yay! Look at Mama.
Oh, you want to
Look at Mama. Oh, no, stay there. I want to take a picture. Give Daddy. Give Daddy. I want to take a picture with you. Take. Let's take a picture.
So to hold it, let's put our hand down.
Okay.
And the other one, we have to cover its wings or it'll try to fly.
Yes.
Good job.
Look at Mama.
He's like, stop with it.
Say bye. Say bye, chicken. Mana Cuckoo.
Bye, Cuckoo.
Mana Cuckoo. Mana Cuckoo. Do you use this too? Aww. Looks like real wood, baby. It's like real wood. What are these? There are tomatoes. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells good, babe. Yeah, this one. Oh my god. Babe, they got sweet potatoes.
Oh, dude, they got figs.
What are those?
I love figs.
Look, they have sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. And chili. Pili pili. I definitely want to try. Oh, look. Eggplant and okra. Oh, babe, can you get okra?
Yeah.
Wow. And it's so fresh.
Big old okra.
What is this? Cucumbers. I don't know. Eggplant. Is it the Gotsi family? What is this? Is it eggplant?
Yeah.
Mikey, don't touch. Let's get something. Is it a paper? Huh?
Hey?
Is it a paper?
Yeah. This what?
Mikey, don't open. We'll get sweet potatoes. We'll try the sweet potatoes. I hope they're nice.
Well, they got a scale.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll measure it. Mikey, stop. Then we get potatoes. This will make so much creamy sweet potatoes, the mashed potatoes. Oh, it's gonna be so creamy. They look so creamy. I don't know how much you get to one. I just want one. Papa! It's like in the video.
Mikey Beans being silly, doing baby things.
Come on, baby. I don't know how much will give me one empty. Come we measure.
That's a lot.
And okra.
Okra?
We take okra.
You want to just take that whole thing?
I don't
The
know.
whole container? I'm sure they got more. I mean, that's not all they got.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just like, you know.
Is this sample?
Hey.
Is this all you have? How much will this make? Will it get to 1 LB? I'll weigh it.
Ooh, they got eggs. They got pumpkins. I see you.
Baby,
Yeah.
this one has come to.
More sweet potatoes.
So this one has come to $1.50.
It's $1.50?
Yeah,
Okay.
because so it's a little less than a pound. But this one doesn't have any weight. This thing, it doesn't have any weight. Whatever is in here, maybe you should put it in a paper.
Oh, I don't know.
I feel like it has some weight. It's also putting on some weight. Yeah, we'll stick to that. Yeah, we'll stick to that. And finally, potatoes also want 1 pound.
Okay, so that's
Yes.
almost 4 pounds.
Oh no, this one 1 pound. I test it. If I like it, then next time I'll come for more.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
All right, that's a pound.
that's a pound.
Yeah.
That's a pound, baby. No return. Okay. So your total is $5.33.
Sweet. So I'm gonna put this down now so I can pay for that.
Yay. You like that? Huh? You like that, Mikey? Look at Mama. Smile. Look at Mama. Smile. Yay! Yay, my baby! It's so cute. How much is it? Mikey. Mike. How much is it? You can't keep trying all of them. How did you know it rocks, babe? It's just so surprising, like how he knows how to operate all of them.
No. It's not a toy.
I don't have a proper.
Here. He's not seen this one. This is $30. And this is for cutting. Is that a chopping board?
Yeah.
I noticed the things here are so expensive. Where's Mikey?
He's over there.
Oh, coasters. I was almost freaking out.
And so there's my wife putting our son in a swing because he loves to swing. Hey, Mikey Beans, you having a good time? Yes, look at him. He's having a great time. Hey! Oh, I'm gonna get your feet. Oh, give me them feet, give me them feet.
Mike is running because there's a truck. Look at him. Yeah? Look! Look, Mikey!
Hey, look.
Look! Hey, slide!
Slide.
A slide, look!
Hey, slide too.
Yeah, slide!
Yeah, slide.
Yeah, that's a slide! Whoa! Mikey! Such a huge slide! How do they go up? Through the stair?
Yeah.
Oh! Mikey's so excited. They go up through the stairs. He's already going. Be careful, baby. Oh my gosh. He's going. Be careful, Mikey. Is he safe on his own, baby, or do I need to go up? Huh? Is he safe on his own, baby?
Probably not. You want to hold this bag?
His back. Oh, I hold the bag.
Yeah, I mean.
Because, yeah, the ground is hot, eh? So this is like hay. Yes, Mikey. Yes, my baby. Wait, Mikey, wait. Daddy has decided to be with him. Oh my gosh! Oh, how was that? How was that? How is it? It's fun. Let's go again. 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 He's saying get out.
Yeah, he doesn't want to go with me.
Do you think it's safe for him to go alone?
Huh?
Do you think it's safe for him to go alone? Okay.
He'll bounce a little bit. It's too light.
Mikey, you gotta go with Daddy. You gotta go with Daddy, Mikey. He wants to go alone. He doesn't want Daddy to carry him. Mikey doesn't want to go with Daddy. He wants to do it alone. Let's see how he does. He's so happy now that he's going alone. I hope he's gonna be safe. Let's see. Slowly, Baba. Woo! How was that? How was that? How was that? You did it, Mikey! Yay! Yay! Mikey! Let me see him. Let me see him. Say hi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Look, he's trying to. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, Mikey. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. You driving the car? Hey, young man. Hey, young man. Hi.
With you everything is complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?